As you can see, we are making something here. Today, my honey's going to explain the Black & Decker. How's it work? Well, you're gonna turn it off first. All right, so what is
There's
this?
your numbers here from speed. Low speed being 1, high is 5.
Okay.
So I'm making a powdered cream cheese and powdered
What's
sugar.
that thing?
That is to eject these when you're done.
Oh, okay. We don't want to do that. Oh, going harder. All right, so we stopped. I'm not sure why, but I think, what's over here? What's going on there?
That is broken down vegan whipped cream that is kind of not working because I froze it too long.
Are you gonna do something with it with the thing?
I might fold a little bit into it. I'm not.
All right, so this is called folding.
I don't know.
All right, so this is plugged in over there. It's electric. There's no battery on it, so you know it's not one of those. You got a cord. So yeah, Black & Decker. Look at those things. Something's happening now. Something's happening.
So I'm done with that.
Okay,
I'm going to take these out by pushing this button.
All right, push that button.
Oh no, I'm sorry. It's this button. What is this? This is turbo. Sorry. This, you just push this straight down and these come out.
All right, so show me that again.
You push this straight down
And those fall
and
out.
these eject out.
Okay, so that's how we do it. The turbo. We didn't use the turbo.
Yeah, I have a feeling it doesn't work.
All right, are you gonna lick those and see if they're good?
I already did. You want one?
I'll just take a little taste.
Hmm?
Is it good? What's in there?
It's just cream cheese and powdered sugar.
Yummy.
You didn't taste it at all.
Okay, I know. I don't like to taste stuff. All right, so that's it right there, you guys. Plugged in here, made that and that. Bam, done. Bob's your uncle.